In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a billing account for Dialogflow on Google Cloud. Whether you're using Dialogflow ES or CX, having an attached billing account to your Google Cloud project is an essential step in managing your usage and costs efficiently. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring you have all the information you need to get started smoothly. First, you'll want to head over to the Google Cloud console. If you haven't done so already, log in using your Google account. Once you're in, the next step is to select the Google Cloud project that you'll be using with Dialogflow. In case you haven't created a project yet, don't worry. You have the option to create a new one right here. During the setup process of your new project, you'll be prompted to link a billing account. This is a crucial step to watch out for as it ties your usage to a billing plan. Now, if you find that you don't yet have a billing account, that's perfectly okay, because you can create one within the Cloud console itself. Simply navigate to the billing section, and from there, head over to Manage Billing Accounts. You'll then see the option to Create Billing Account. Here, you'll need to provide some specific details like the billing account name, your country, and choose a suitable payment method. It's important to ensure that this information is all accurate so you don't run into issues later on. Once you've successfully created your billing account, the next step is to link it to your project. Go back to the billing section and under either the My Projects or Projects section, locate your specific project. Beside your project, you should see an option that says Set Billing Account or possibly Change Billing Account. Select this option and choose the billing account you just created. This action effectively links your project to that billing account, ensuring that any usage of Dialogflow features will be charged accordingly. With your billing appropriately set up, we're now at the stage where you need to enable Dialogflow for your project. Head over to your project dashboard and enable the Dialogflow API. This activation is essential because it allows your project to utilize the powerful features of Dialogflow, whether you're deploying a chat agent, voice bot, or any other conversational interface. And there you have it. With billing enabled and Dialogflow set up, you can now seamlessly use either ES or CX features. It's all set to calculate and manage your usage based on the billing account you've linked. This setup ensures that everything runs smoothly and efficiently, letting you focus on creating exceptional conversational experiences without worrying about the back-end logistics. Thank you for joining me in this educational journey today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful for your Dialogflow projects.